How to create a stronger bond the second time around, 10 tips. Rebuilding a relationship with an ex can be challenging but rewarding. With the right approach, it's possible to create a stronger, more fulfilling connection. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. If you're looking to rekindle the bond, here are 10 tips to guide you along the way. 1. Reflect on the past. Take some time to think about what went wrong the first time. Understand your role in the breakup but avoid dwelling on past mistakes. Focus on learning from them instead. 2. Communicate openly. Good communication is key. Be honest about your feelings and listen to your partners as well. Clear and open dialogue helps to avoid misunderstandings. 3. Set realistic expectations. Understand that rebuilding a relationship takes time. Don't expect everything to go back to how it was immediately. Take things slowly and build trust step by step. 4. Be patient in rebuilding trust. Trust doesn't return overnight. Be consistent and reliable to show that you're committed to making the relationship work. 5. Focus on personal growth. Work on becoming a better version of yourself. Whether it's through personal interests or emotional development, growth will positively impact the relationship. 6. Find shared interests. Reconnect by doing things you both enjoy. Shared activities create opportunities for bonding and help bring back the spark. 7. Be vulnerable. Open up about your feelings and fears. Vulnerability helps deepen emotional intimacy and encourages honesty between both partners. 8. Create new memories. Instead of focusing solely on the past, make new memories together. These moments can strengthen your bond and provide a fresh foundation. 9. Respect personal space. While being together is important, respecting each other's need for space is equally vital. Balance is key to a healthy relationship. 10. Embrace forgiveness. Let go of past grudges. Forgiveness allows you both to move forward and focus on building a positive future together. Rebuilding a relationship takes effort, but with patience, understanding, and open communication, you can create a stronger, more meaningful bond the second time around. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.